Founder of Koru Swimwear, and I'm proud to introduce our upcycled line of accessories due out this spring-summer 2019 called the Up Collection. Now these items are made out of our swimwear scraps, and these scraps are produced while making our swimwear. Just like any other apparel and swimwear company, there's so much waste produced, and we wanted to do something with these scraps, and rather than go into a landfill, we wanted to make them into something great for consumers to enjoy. And the fashion industry, as you may not know, is second behind the oil industry in pollution, primarily due to all the waste it produces. So we're trying to lessen the impact one accessory at a time. So hopefully you'll find these in your local retailers, and by purchasing these, you'll be making a smart choice to help the environment.